Okay, fam, welcome back to the channel. This is my cooking video. I'm gonna cook some chicken, which I cut up and I got it soaking. I put some vinegar in there, some apple cider vinegar to clean all that stuff off. Y'all see that stuff that come off of there? Make sure you clean your food, fam. And I got me a couple pieces of pork chop. Yes, I'm eating me some pork chops. So stay tuned to the rest of the cooking video. Okay, fam, I done cleaned my chicken and my pork chops. I'm gonna do baked lemon pepper chicken and pork chops. I never tried it on my pork chops, but I'm gonna try it today. The seasoning I'm gonna use is this lemon pepper seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. I'm gonna put a little Italian seasoning on there to give it a little flavor, and a little bit of this crushed red pepper. I put this in. I had baked some chicken, I think it was last week or week before, I don't know, but I put too much in there, fam. That stuff was so spicy. Oh my God, it was just too spicy. So I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit, not much. We're gonna have canned green beans because I didn't feel like cutting up no green beans. We're gonna do some rice, and we're gonna do some sweet yellow corn muffin. I never used this before. I'm gonna try it though. All right, let me season my food. I went ahead and did my Italian seasoning because I broke my tripod, so I have to use one hand. And you have to, this is the crush where you have to twist it for the fresh Italian seasoning. So let's season it up with the rest of my seasoning. This is my onion powder. Just a little bit of that. My crushed red peppers. Don't put that much on there like I did last time. Just to give it a little bit of flavor. Okay, that's enough of that. Garlic powder. And I know lemon pepper seasoning. I know y'all gonna say that's a lot of seasoning. It ain't gonna be salty. It ain't gonna be salty. It looks like it, but it's not. Black pepper. And let me mix it up. Okay, I added a little paprika on there for the color. Okay, fam. This is something that I remember from my mom. If you don't have any, well, the way that she taught me how to do baked chicken is to, I showed y'all before, fry it on the stove, on the top, to get a little crisp on it. Then I put it in the oven. So if you don't have any type of olive oil, she taught me this. Add you a little bacon grease, and that's what I'm out of olive oil. Because I wasn't going to pay that high price yesterday for that olive oil. But I'm out of olive oil. So I added a little bacon grease. Now I'm going to put my chicken in here. Okay. Y'all see it? I got my skin down first because I want that to be really, really crisp. And I only let it cook for like 5 minutes total for both sides. And I got my pork chop in there too over there somewhere. I'm going to set it at 375. I got my pot for my green beans, my pot for my rice, and I'll be back. Okay, fam, green beans are done. Rice is done. Pork chops and chicken is done. I think I overcooked the chicken and pork chop though, but it's still gonna be good. Okay, guys, here's my plate. Got my pork chops, got me a piece of chicken on there too. And then I'm going to throw some Louisiana hot sauce on there. The best. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed and wonderful Thursday. Bye-bye.